Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the incredible career of one of the most recognized names in drag racing, Courtney Force. She's not just a driver, she's an inspiration to many and a force in the world of motorsports. Born on June 20th, 1988 in Yorba Linda, California, Courtney is the youngest daughter of legendary drag racer John Force, who has won 16 NHRA Funny Car Championships. Growing up in a racing family, it was no surprise that she would eventually follow in her father's footsteps, but her path to success wasn't without challenges and hard work. Courtney's journey into professional racing began at a young age. She attended Cal State Fullerton, where she earned a degree in communications, but her passion for racing was undeniable. She started in the NHRA, initially competing in the junior dragster program before progressing through various racing divisions. But it wasn't until 2012 that she made her NHRA Funny Car debut, joining her father's team, John Force Racing. Courtney's entry into the NHRA was nothing short of impressive. In her very first year, she earned Rookie of the Year honors. This set the tone for what would be an extraordinary career. Courtney quickly established herself as a talented and determined driver, breaking barriers and winning over fans with her skill and personality. One of Courtney's major accomplishments came in 2016 when she became the first female driver in NHRA history to secure a funny car win at the prestigious NHRA Nationals in Seattle. That victory was not only a personal achievement, but also a historic moment for women in motorsports. Her win helped solidify her status as one of the sport's top competitors. Throughout her career, Courtney has consistently shown her competitive edge, securing multiple victories and podium finishes. She's also been known for her strong media presence, serving as a role model for young girls and aspiring racers, showing them that with determination, anything is possible. Her ability to balance the demands of racing while also using her platform to inspire others speaks volumes about her character. But it's not just about the victories and the accolades. Courtney's work off the track has also made a significant impact. She's been involved in various charitable causes and has used her voice to advocate for greater representation and opportunities for women in motorsports. Her influence extends beyond the racetrack, and she continues to break stereotypes and encourage young women to pursue careers in traditionally male-dominated fields. As of now, Courtney Force is a respected figure in drag racing. While she retired from full-time competition after the 2020 season, her legacy in the sport is secure. She's a trailblazer who helped pave the way for the next generation of female racers, proving that talent and determination can break down even the toughest barriers. In conclusion, Courtney Force's journey in the world of drag racing is a story of passion, perseverance, and breaking new ground. Her impact on the sport and her ability to inspire others will be remembered for years to come. Whether behind the wheel or in her advocacy work, Courtney continues to be a shining example of what it means to follow your dreams and make history along the way. Thank you for listening.